The cuny.edu by course feature is one of the building blocks of the Transfer Explorer site. You'll find this useful if you plan to transfer to a different CUNY college in the future, or if you want to e-permit a class at another school. To illustrate how this feature works, let's take the case of Matthew, a BMCC student who wants to know how the Bio 425 class he took last semester will transfer to other CUNY colleges. After clicking in from the main menu, he'll select his current college, the subject, and the catalog number for his class. Then he'll click here because he wants to know how his class transfers to another school. We'll talk about this second option a little later. Once he clicks Submit, Matthew sees that Bio 425 can be combined with Bio 426, and trex shows him both scenarios. But Matthew only took 425, so he can scroll through this side and see how it will transfer to various colleges, and click the arrow for more detail. For example, at the College of Staten Island, Matthew sees that the class does transfer, but only as a 100-level liberal arts elective. However, at Lehman College, his BMCC Bio 425 will transfer as a full course, not just elective credits. Yay! Something to think about as he plans where he wants to continue his college journey. Now let's go back and see what this transfer from selection can tell us. For this, we'll use Maria, a Hostos Community College student who wants to e-permit a class at BMCC. She needs to fulfill her Bio 230 requirement at Hostos. So she can plug that right into trex and find out that good old Bio 425 will transfer back into Hostos as Bio 230. So, with the help of trex, Maria decides to go ahead and e-permit the class at BMCC. Thanks to a few minutes of research on trex, both Matthew and Maria save themselves time, money, and potentially a lot of headaches too.